Yeah, turn towards me. Keep going, keep creeping. I think you're going to do it. Hard towards me, hard towards me. It's only my left arm. Ah! Oh God! It really hurts. You got rear recoveries? Or you just use the hitch?
To be honest, man, I've had about a couple of hours with it. Haven't paid much attention.
How many Ks you say was on it?
1800.
And you got her at 100.
I got it at just under 40.
What's the difference between a Rogue and a normal one, or is there no normal one?
I think it goes like you got your workmates and you got your SR, your SR5, then the Rogue,
Yeah.
and then you got the Rugged X.
Oh, Fuel make their own all-terrains.
These are new, yeah. These
Yeah,
are
right.
this year, brand new to Australia.
The Gripper all-terrains.
Yeah.
265 6018.
Oh, that a flash one.
Oh, this tells you your savings in fuel based on the fuel price. It changes.
Oh, you flirt. Yeah, they're nice.
I hate that. It's so bright.
Yeah, night
So
time, the
bright.
nice bright white one.
But
Yeah, beauty.
nice and dark.
Diff lock there,
Yep.
and that'll be your traction control off.
Off.
Yeah.
Yep. 220 volt.
So it's got a built-in inverter.
100 watt. Yeah.
No kidding, hey? Oh, wow. That's pretty cool, mate. Yeah. Do you have to flip the...
Yeah. It's got like a cover thing on it.
Don't push the red button. Yeah, right. SOS in case you flip your car and you want to
Maybe. Yeah.
call Toyota and tell them that you rolled it, and they can go, oh, okay.
Yeah. It's got obviously cameras up here, cameras in the front, cameras in the back.
You want to push it?
Yeah, push it and look at the screen.
Oh, wicked.
So you've got your 360, that's your front, which is now buggered by the bull bar, but they're making a new grille where it lifts the camera up, and then you've got your side views.
Oh, wicked.
Obviously the door's open, so
you won't get it. Properly.
but yeah, you can see like all the rocks and all that wherever you're going. Yeah, so I went to Ironman Pro Guard. Got the LED upgrades and the boggy bodies. I went with the rectangle with the side because driving a Cal I want to see on the sides as well. And then I got those 5-ton recovery points and the full underbody protection, so it goes from there all the way back past the front wheels.
Shall we see how she does? Going up a couple of tracks?
Yeah, let's do it.
Nice one. Very good test. It needs a benchmark, and the disco is going to be the benchmark. We'll send it up first, up there, see how she does, and then we'll put the Hilux, the brand new Hilux, up against her.
Dougie in the disco. He wanted to give this hill a name, so I'm thinking first hill climb because it's just near the road. Got some wheel. Oh, he's getting there. Oh, how's that? How's that for some? Whew. Wow. There we go. There we go. Oh, we got some more lift. I think it might feel worse than it looks. You've still got like the angle of the car. Can you like get up that bit or? Nah. There we go. There we go. My man, you!
Diff lockers on? Low range? Oh, she flexes on the arse, mate. Look at that. Come towards me. I reckon point towards me a bit. Yeah, take the same track that I did. Whoa, your arse is in the air. Now straighten. Yes, he's doing it, he's doing it. Good man. Excellent. I heard a few pops and cracks. I think they might have just been your side skirts.
Yeah, I think I just need a plastic ones off and get some steel ones.
Oh, she flexing now, isn't she? Oh, mate, that's awesome. You're right off the ground now. Yep. I'd like to see you just hit it straight on.
That?
Oh, this piece?
You want me to hit that straight on?
Yeah, kinda. The path you're on is totally fine at the minute, mate. You just got to bump up the one rock here and then onto a larger rock. So diff lock's on, definitely on this time. That first hill that we tackled, it might have been off. You're gonna have to come right up to it to find out. Very slowly, very slowly. No, you're gonna hit it. Your bull bar is resting on that rock right now. You could potentially put a wheel right up here like other people have in the past, but you're gonna have to go back first and then come up on the bank. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, turn towards me. Keep going, keep creeping. I think you're gonna do it. Hard towards me, hard towards me. Go back a little bit. Go back a little bit. There's a rock here that you need to turn hard that way. No, other way. Yeah. Is that full lock? Go like that. Straighten. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Yeah, you're good, mate. You're good. Oh, I can't believe he's got up there. Oh, that side step is getting annihilated. 2022 Hilux Rogue with a now freshly annihilated passenger side step. Daniel, you're a living legend. Wait, have a look at your side step. It's just a step though, isn't it? Fucking hell. Well done.
Got up. The mighty Disco is going to give it a crack. Missing its number plate. Probably lost it in the mud pit, we think. We'll go back and have a bit of a gander. Launching over, my man. Look at those tyres just leaving the ground. All right. Just doing bolt burnouts, bro. Well, slow. Hey, yeah, good. That's it, that's it. That's it, that's it. Oh, shit, boy.
Heat of the moment, mate. Final thoughts on the Hilux.
If you can afford it, buy it.
Okay. Yeah.
It's a Hilux. It's a Hilux.
Metal rock sliders and maybe a lift, eh?
Disco nailed it.
Disco did okay. We're missing our front number plate, so we're going to go back and find that. But until another week, I love yous.
Love you.
All right. Peace.